yesterday we...
It was a bit of a traumatic day, wasn't it?
Yeah, we tried to go to the beach near our hotel via Belena, but you have to pay like $7 to get in.
Each?
Which is not in the backpacker budget, so we went in search of another beach called Playa Ventanas, which was nice.
It was nice. Do you know what? The thing with the beaches here, the sand is always wet and it rains quite a bit.
Yeah, so you can't really, it's not really nice for sunbathing, is it?
No.
And then we went to the supermarket to get a little pineapple for breakfast and a few beers, and Frankie went to get the beers out of the boot and saw a massive tarantula.
It was probably, I mean, it was
big.
That sort of size.
And it just ran under the sea. So now we're on a 7-hour drive with a tarantula in the car and we have no idea where it is. And it looks like, what's it called?
Brazilian wandering spider.
Which if it bites you, causes paralysis and then death.
And also we had a puncture in our tyres. We've had to change a tyre.
Oh yeah.
Yesterday was just a write-off, wasn't it?
Yeah, this could be our last vlog, we never know.
But it's not quite over yet. We're on our way to
Nauyaca Waterfall.
Which looks absolutely stunning. So onwards and upwards.
Let's hope today's a better day. Google Maps took us the wrong way to the waterfalls, so Frankie's driven like half an hour up a dirt track, and then someone told us that we need to go back to the main road and go a different way.
It's more time with the spider, really. Finally, we are here. I do not know why the sat-nav took us that off-road way at first, because to get to the main office where we bought our ticket was just like the best road I've ever driven on. Yeah, we paid, and you have to pay for parking there as well, which is 1,800 colones, which is about £2. And then if you've got a car, you can drive 2 kilometers closer and park there, but you still have 4 kilometers to trek. And our trainers are soaking wet still, so we're trekking in flip-flops. Also, you can get up here clearly on a horse for about $90. It's very steep, up and down, so it's equally steep in both directions, and very hot walk.
First kilometre took us 12 minutes, second kilometre took us 15 minutes, it felt like 30.
It is hot. Go on, girl. You're such a little acrobat.
That is impressive.
That is beautiful. What? So when I got in, I literally just put my hand on this rock to get in, and as Soph's got in, she's just spotted this. This place is beautiful, isn't it? Probably the nicest waterfall I've ever seen. We had a look at Waterfall 1, then we walked down to Waterfall 2, we've had a little swim, it's freezing cold, the current's strong, but it is bloody lovely.
Oh, it's nice.
We'll probably chill here for another 5 minutes, 4-kilometre walk back, and then 7.5 hour drive to our next location, which is Caribbean coast. We don't even know yet, do we? Nauyaca, Puerto Viejo, Manzanillo, we'll see, but these waterfalls,
You have to go.